You fall in a store. Is the store owner automatically responsible for your medical bills? This is a question I hear a lot, and I think there's a lot of misconceptions about this. The answer is a store owner isn't automatically responsible for paying your medical bills. Now, it is true that some stores do have a type of insurance called medical payments coverage that is a no-fault type of insurance that doesn't require you to prove the store did anything wrong. Those limits are typically pretty low though. Maybe $1,000, $5,000, sometimes $10,000. And the medical payments coverage will provide coverage and payment for medical bills up to the limits of that coverage if you are injured in the store or on the premises. Now, a lot of places don't have medical payments coverage though, particularly your big stores like Publix and Walmart, Costco, Sam's. They're self-insured or they just have liability insurance. In that scenario, the only way you're gonna get your medical bills paid is if you can prove the store owner or occupier did something wrong. You have to prove liability, and that can get complicated. Because when you're injured in a store, the fact that there may have been something on the ground that caused your fall doesn't make them automatically liable. You have to show that they did something wrong, either in causing the condition to be on the floor, or maybe they didn't do enough to clean it up when they knew or should have known it was on the floor. Now, this can be done in a number of different ways. You might show that somebody at the store who worked there dropped it on the floor. You might be able to show that it was on the ground for a long period of time, or that the store didn't have proper inspection procedures. There's a number of ways that you can establish liability, but you really can't do it alone. You really need a lawyer on your side who can gather the evidence and prove your case for you. Because premises liability cases, which is what a slip and fall is, can be very complicated. There's a lot of legal nuances, and even one slight misstep can cause you to lose your case entirely, particularly if you talk to the store or their insurance company and give them a recorded statement. So if you are injured in a store, it's important to reach out to an experienced personal injury attorney as soon as possible so that they can start building your case for you and determine whether you can get compensation for your medical bills.